What if a bird walked beside you? One that never feared humans. This is the Mauritian dodo, a bird that trusted too much. The dodo lived only on the island of Mauritius. Hidden in tropical forests, it ate fallen fruits and nested on the ground. It had no natural enemies, no need to fear.
Look at the size of this one.
They seem quite friendly, don't they?
Almost too friendly, if you ask me.
The sailors brought pigs, rats, and hunger. The dodo nests were torn apart. They didn't know fear until we arrived. Scientists have decoded the dodo's DNA. Through technology, we can bring them back.